here with Luka again, and this is After Hours Adjustments. What's going on with you today? Neck, low back, or what's bugging you? Anything? What are we working on?
I'm like kind of tense, like right here, in between my
shoulders.
Yeah.
Is that a crack?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay. You still cracking your neck?
Not as much as I used to.
That's a yes.
Yeah.
That's a yes. All right, so let's start loosening up his shoulders a little bit. You had a Cuban sandwich. Did who put in the order? Who put in the order? You or Luka?
I did.
In Spanish?
I said sandwich cubano.
Sweet, dude. You are fluent.
Yeah.
You are fluent. That's impressive. Sandwich cubano.
Yeah.
And did you say yuca fries or did you say yucca fries?
I said yuca fries.
Good. Good. That's what 3 years of Spanish in high school does for you. Can you just take your arm for a second? Your right arm? Bring it over here. Bring it down. Let's see the other side. Same one. Thank you. Cool. All right, turn to your left a little bit. Good. All right. Good. You all right?
Yeah.
Cool. Let's turn to your right. Up a little bit. Ooh, that's tight right inside there. Good. And now that you're getting adjusted, how you been feeling?
I feel good.
Yeah, good.
A lot better.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool. You're not doing any competitive swimming, are you?
Other than practice, no.
No? Okay. Is there a coach there?
Yeah.
Cool. Looking to compete again?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I want it.
Nice.
I feel like I have 2 more seasons in me.
2 more?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. You gonna try out for the team again?
I was talking to my coach on Fordham, and he said if we are swimming next season, I probably have a spot.
Whoa!
Yeah. He just doesn't know.
Dude, that's great, man.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's great to hear. Congrats. That's good.
Thank you.
I hope it's not a fake promise.
I hope so too.
Good. Looks good. That's awesome. That's good. That's good news. Let's do this. Let me take your arm for a second. Cool. Just let it drop for a second. Let it drop. I'm just gonna bring it out and in like that. Just relax. Good. Let's try this side. And just let it drop, please. Let it drop a little bit. Just gonna go out and in. A little more. Good. Crunch. Much better. Good. Well, you're gonna need a few more adjustments. Keep the body in tune. Just relax your arm. Let it go. Good. Good. Mm-hmm. Good. Other side. Just let your arm just drop. More. Beach.
Yep.
Which one?
Point Pleasant.
Okay. Awesome. Good. Come and lay face down here. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. Ooh, that left leg is short. That clears out. Okay. We'll just relax inside here. Breathing for me really deep, Luka. All the way out. Just relax inside here. Good. Come over here. I want you to breathe in for me. All the way out. And relax. Good. Good. And just relax and lean and just focus on your breathing, okay? One more. There we go. Good. Come back here. Let that whole thing pop before you begin to just relax inside here. Good. Come back here. Come on your side, face my window, please. And rest your head right there. Just like that. Awesome. Just going to put my arm here. Good. Just breathe in for me really deep. All the way out. Let your hips relax. Come lay right on your back, face up. Not much movement inside there. So, which beach you like better? Long Branch or which one? Or Point Pleasant?
I think Point Pleasant is better.
Point Pleasant?
Yeah, because there's a carnival there. Except we haven't gone there, but it's
Yeah,
there.
the boardwalk there.
Yeah.
Good. Just relax a bit. A little bit more. Good. Let your leg just drop down to the side. Just going to stretch out the joint a little bit. Good. Come back over here. Cool. Relax your leg. There we go. Let it drop down to the side. Just relax your foot a little bit. A little more. Good. Good. Same thing here. Relax a little bit. Good. Let's see if we can adjust that ankle. Good. Just gonna open the joint a little bit and relax. Good. Oh, almost done. Right now. Slide up a little bit, just a drop. Almost done. Don't wash off yet, man. It's just getting good. Okay. Just cleaning my hands after touching your feet. I'm sure you don't want it.
A little bit of sweat.
Exactly. So I gotta adjust you right there. Did you crack your neck today? Like 100 times?
Maybe.
Alright, let's see if we can get a little bit of movement. Right side there. Okay. Good. You just relax a little bit. Focus on your breathing a little bit. A little bit more. And just relax a bit. Good. Come back here. Right there. Same thing. Just relax. Put in a little stretch inside here. A little bit more. Just kind of let that go. Come back here. Breathing really deep. All the way out. All set, sir. Come pop up. There we go. Good stuff.
Yep.
All right, once again, you know what to do. Jason Tirado. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel by checking out my Crackamaniac t-shirts by clicking on the link below. And also, I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon, and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what? I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.